this apartment. Oh. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys don't know, my name is Jasmine and I create home, DIY, style, fashion videos. So if you guys want to be a part of them, don't forget to hit the bell notification. So today we are doing an apartment tour. So I'm actually thinking of moving out soon. So I wanted to go ahead and take you guys along with me and go check out a few different apartments. So the first apartment, or just to let you guys know, a lot of the apartments I will not be letting you guys know like the name or the location of them, and that is solely because I might be living in one of them, so I just want to make sure that, you know, I'm not disclosing my address just for privacy reasons. Alright, so this is going to be a 3-part series. This is the first one, so we're going to one apartment complex and looking at a 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom, and a studio, but the studio kind of is also a 1-bedroom because it has a separate sleeping area, which is really nice. Like, it looks really nice, you'll see. It's definitely a really cute, like, LA girly vibe. The finishes were really nice. I love everything about it, but you guys will see and you guys can let me know which one was your favorite, the 2-bedroom, the 1-bedroom, or the studio. I would love to know. Also, be sure that you are subscribing and clicking the bell notifications so that you guys are never missing a post, because this is going to be a really fun series and I would hate for you to miss out on it. So yeah, let's get right into it. I'm so excited for you guys to see. Hey guys, so this is the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. I'm obsessed with the white and subway tile finishes with the black hardware. I just think it's stunning. And then we're gonna walk into the bathroom. Here is the washer and dryer. Super simple, I'm sure you've seen it. I love these hardwood style floors, and do you see this mirror? Like, stunning. Very sleek. Then you walk into the bedroom, and I think this is actually a really good sized bedroom. I'm always like struggling when it comes to bedrooms that are empty because you can't actually see how big it is until the furniture is inside. The closet, however, was not the biggest closet I've ever seen, but it's definitely doable. There's a bunch of hacks that you can do. And then this is the second bedroom. This would definitely be more of the actual like bedroom space. The other one would probably be the office. Here is the closet, way bigger, so much better. And then I was actually pointing outside at the window because there's a freeway, and that was one thing I didn't love about this apartment. Now going into this bathroom, guys, this bathroom is so stunning. Same finishes as the house, so it's very cohesive, and I'm just obsessed with the hardware finishes and all of the storage and the white countertops. And then guys, this mirror is so stunning. I'm just like, ugh, in a dream. And then the black hardware and the black nozzles and shower head. I mean, come on. This is totally aesthetic. I love it. Now we're gonna go into the 1-bedroom. Ooh, wow, this one's cold. Just lock it for a second. This is the 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. It's freezing in here. Okay, so again, we have this super cute kitchen area, which like, okay, so we have this kitchen area here. I think it's the cutest little kitchen ever, I think. We have a nest here. Nest. So when you walk in, I'd probably want to put like a little console table here to put my keys and stuff. And then I would definitely want to have like an island here with some bar stools, like Parisian bar stools. And then I'd want to put, you know, the couch over here and then the TV on this side. I love how high up the ceilings are, super nice, but I don't think they currently have any available. Then we have this closet here, like a coat closet, which the first one did not have. First one didn't have this coat closet, which is nice. But has the oven, has a fridge, all appliances are included. So I'm gonna hop over to this side so you guys can see. Again, we're in the middle of traffic, and if you live in LA, you know 5 o'clock traffic is disgusting. So this is what it looks like on this side. Sorry, I like left one of the things open, but I don't know, I think that that's so cute. It's tiny, but it's like really cute. Okay, let's go into the bedroom and see how big that is. Let's first see here. Pretty sure this is the washer and dryer, which it is. So full washer and dryer. I don't wash a lot of clothes, but this one's huge. I do like the white because they had 2 different kinds, and so this one was one that I actually liked. So we have a medicine cabinet, ports here. Not too much storage in here though, which is a little alarming because I do have a lot of appliances. This could be good for like holding your toiletries. And then we have the tub, which isn't bad. It's not the worst thing ever. It's not the best thing ever, but not the worst. Really cute. Let's turn these off. And then we have the bedroom, which I think is the same square footage. Okay, so it's about the same square footage as the other one. I definitely like the other one better because, oh, but the closet is like both of the closets put into one. Damn, this is a nice closet. So here is the 1 bedroom closet. Guys, it's ginormous. My mom's closet is not even this big, but it's probably the same size as the current bedroom that I have in my house. But it has like this cute little walkway before you even get to the room. I mean, I think that's so cute. I feel like you could put something there, like art or something, or like a little sign, and then put like your TV. I don't really watch TV, so I'd probably put like a media console and then some art on top of it. Now to the studio suite. This one was definitely smaller, but the thing I liked about the studio suite is that when you walk in, there's actually a little sleeping area, so it's walled, and you can just kind of add your own little fixing to make a door pretty much. This one actually had dark brown finishes, so it was a little different, it's a little darker, but I was okay with that because it was so cute. So I'm just showing you a couple of the finishes. There was actually more storage, surprisingly, in this one. So I'm just kind of showing you guys. Right here is the room. It's fairly small. There wasn't a light in there because they were still kind of renovating the space. It pretty much had the same exact size, if not a little bit bigger of a closet than the 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, which I thought was kind of interesting. Nice doors, nice finishes. It was all like black hinges and black doors or doorknobs, which I thought was so cute. Here is a tiny little utility closet. You can like throw all your stuff in there. I would put like vacuums and stuff in there. Oh, that's my mom. Then we have our washer and dryer again. Super simple. This one actually looks a little bit smaller, and then we lead it into the grand room. So here we just have the stunning kitchen. So we have stunning appliances. I really think that the gray subway tiling and the dark brown finishes really ties it in together. The one thing I didn't love so much about this suite was the view. I wanted something that had a lot of light and a lot of room and space, so that was a little bummer for me. Alrighty, and that was part 1 of apartment hunting in Los Angeles. I hope you guys loved it as much as I did. I'm so excited. I kind of really like the 1 bedroom. I don't know, let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. And I'm so excited for you guys to see this part 2. This apartment, it is so stunning. I was just kind of like floored, but then when I saw the price, I was like, I understand. but you guys are gonna love it so much. Be sure that you guys are subscribed so that you guys don't miss out on this whole fun series, and it is free, and it definitely helps out my channel because I am just a small channel growing. So you guys can also follow me on Instagram at I'm Jasmine Bell right here, and I'll leave all of my socials down in the description down below. And yeah, I will catch you guys in part 2. Bye.